Well, today I would like to tell you information about the Patundas trek. The Patundas trek is located in the Upper Hunza, so and we have decided to explore some beauty there. So now we, a few friends, decided to go there. Now this is a place, the base of the Paso Glacier, and we came here by jeep, and now we will start our journey by foot. So we rested there, and we are just uh, um, finding the proper way. Now you see this one is at the beginning of our journey. This one is the base of glacier, the snout of glacier. So there's a black color glacier, and this one is due to the soil spread over it and some stones above it. You hear the stone on the ice, which is anytime it can be fall due to melting, the subsequent melting of glacier. So behind sea there is a clouds, and below there is the peaks, the Paso Peak, and this one is the roots. Which now this is after when you end the Black Glacier. This is the place which White Glacier comes. So this one is taking the picture for proper route, and to reach here in the middle it took 4 hours, and still we are not on the right right path, and because it's very hard for you to find the way on the glacier, because every time it is being melted, and due to sometime collapse, sometime collapse, and sometime breaking down. So therefore it's hard for you to find the proper, and I told it took 4 hours to reach in the middle of this glacier, and it is complicated maneuvers to walk on the glacier, because it's very different from the ground walk. So when you are on the glacier, it's very, every step counts to move. So this one is, see, it's really beautiful, and there are a lot of small lakes formation here, the blue color. And see this one, we are in the middle, and we are finding our ways, and the guy is walking on the edge of this glacier, and we waited behind him to give us the proper guidance. The guy is showing by his sticks that look at that place, and see there, it's hard, it's complicated to walk on this glacier, any glacier. So this very longest glacier, one of longest glacier considered in the GB. And yeah, the guys this is our pretty guide, and he tells us about these pros and cons, and tells us a proper route of on the glacier. And this behind see there is a Paso Peak, which is concealed by the clouds, and now see there's vegetation and desert area. And we reach here, and it's very hard, it's deep ascent, and you have to careful while you're stepping, and we sometimes grab the grass to ascend. And this one is the place, we are near to the Patundas, and this one is, these are stones which are vulnerable to fall any time. So see this lush green vegetation here, and this is beautiful. And this one is, we had a pleasant day, and the clouds are scatter sparse clouds above the sky, and the guy took the picture from behind. So now we are on the top of the Patundas, and from here you have a comprehensive view of the whole Paso. And this one is Paso Glacier, which is stretching throughout the ravine on the both side, and there's a Paso Lake at the base of glacier, and some green, these are villages. And see how majestically these hills are lying one by one, and see this one. Oh wow. Okay, and this is the places. This is the Paso, and from where we started our trek. This one, it took like many hours to reach on the top, and we had stayed here for 2 days, and it was remarkable. Though, so this one is we are just going here and there to explore the Patundas beauty. And this one is on the head of the Paso Valley. So on the right side we have a Batura, and the Batura, this is the longest. This is the one of longest glacier in the GB, and on the right side the guy is sitting here to take some rest. And see there is some stones, and this is called algae. This one is which is called lichens, and this is called lichens. This one is found on the stones. This is algae plus fungi, and the guy is enjoying the views and breeze on the highest place. Well, see the area and some vegetation. So these are flowers, and one of the many benefits from these herbal herbs. So the guy is on the top, and see there they are. So this one is majestic Passacones, and this, at the foot of Passacon there is a Karakorum road is leading towards China, which is also called CPAC route, and these are Passacones. It looks beautiful, and this is, we are on the top and we are enjoying the weather. We had a sunny day today and sparse clouds in the sky. And this one, this is Pasteur Glacier, and yeah, thank you very much. These are beautiful faces who find this beautiful picturesque journey, and it is really formidable. These are beautiful faces. It was really, we had a nice trek.